Hey there, if you love watching movies and you want to keep track of your favorite movies, this is a perfect spreadsheet for you to use. So this has a couple tabs for you to use. At the very beginning, this is going to have the link to this YouTube video when I'm done with it, so you can watch it. Then we've got the dashboard. This will show you the total movies you've watched. You can rate your top 10 movies, so you can just type this in. And then this will be the total hours of movies that you watch. So all of this will come in automatically. And then this will show you the number of movies that you're currently watching, what you want to watch, what you didn't finish, and what you've completed. This next tab is your movies tracker. So this will show you the total numbers of movies that you've watched. So once you check off the boxes on this column, this number will grow. The total number of hours watched, this is adding up everything that's in this column. And then your average movie rating, this is averaging everything in this column. So let's do a sample on line 1 for you. So you just want to type in the best movie or whatever your favorite movie is. Choose a category. There's all these categories to choose from. You can edit this and add more categories if you want. Double click and choose the release date of the movie. If it's part of a series, check it off. And then the length of the movie in hours. And then your status, say it's complete. I'm rating it an 8 and I'm going to check it off. And I finished watching it today. So that's how that works. If once you get in, you want to just delete out everything that I've got and then start over. And then you can print it out if you want. And that's it. So I also have a TV show tracker. If you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.